Just standing by here. Welcome again, everybody. Quick little session on crude oil. Let's see if we can get this done efficiently. So quick look at what happened this morning. Well, the 8:50 start time gets in sync with this green trade here, right around in there, and it comes down and basically hits all its targets. So pretty nice. You started at 9, you would have grabbed that one. And same result, hitting the target right on the nail. So good session for counterpunch this morning for 377. And you can see the reaction to the report right away. And again, if you're joining us, don't forget we're on the H contract now, the March contract. I'm going to mark the initial reaction range here. Okay, so far we have a short here that we have to pay attention to. Got in at 62, 61. We'll call it 60 as the entry. And now we have a long as well, 63.78. So it can go either way. That short trade is still valid if it comes down. So either one of those trades, it's a little tricky. It can go either way at this point. The short trade's still going, right, if we're getting in sync, but the purple trade would cancel the short trade. And I'm waiting for that purple trade to trigger in because it looks like a continuation type of pattern for another leg up, but who knows? Still unable to get through. And now there's a new setup. And the new setup is at 81. The new setup cancels the old setup. So 81 now is the new long. And the short is also still valid. And now a new short, same trade though, same setup and everything, will still make that 2-tick adjustment. The long is canceled. So we'll get short at 60. I don't think we need to do 3 ticks down to 59. Let's see if this one holds. Pretty choppy, targeting 44. That's the low of the day, by the way. And a stop at 81 if it triggers in. So unadjusted, the entry was hit. But our adjustment, working around the little spike over here to the left, has kept us flat so far. Which way is this going to break? It appeared like it wanted to go higher, but that resistance held pretty tight. Looks like it might try to go lower here. And there it is. So we're short. And money management now is at 51. And there it is. Let's move our stops down and lock in our 1 tick. And that may be all we get out of it. I mean, the stop really should be at 62. And it did stop out. So we have to get another trade here. And it's trading right back in the middle of those 2 lines. There is a long now at 53.66, sorry. If you didn't get triggered in and you're still waiting to place that trade, put it in at 68. Make a little adjustment around the spike. It did trigger in if you got it in fast enough. Otherwise, make the adjustment. And that stop is at 49. And that would be targeting 84. So that one, if you adjusted your entry, you got long, or you already long, but certainly that's the second trade here. Again, the stop is at 49 and target 2 at 84 and target 3 at 90. You can break out of this range, which who knows at this point. Price action is pretty lousy. You can see on the high trend indicator the lack of volatility, showing you the fast trend on the time chart 5 times higher. Just hugging that 0 line. Maybe the tight price action will lead to some bottled up energy that'll break out in our favor. That's what we're hoping for here. Comes up and tests that swing high and pushes through with some follow through. That could work in our favor. So there we go, money management kicking in. That stop should go to 67 now. And there's full target. So mission accomplished. Let's just keep moving this stop. Now it's at 69. Whoops. And it just moved higher again to 73, 74. Every time I try to click on this active trader window with Thinkorswim, it hops around. It should be criminal. Someone needs to get arrested for not fixing this sooner. Anyway, just stopped out at 74, and that's all she wrote. So nice session. Look at the perfect target 1 on the first trade and the perfect target 2 on the second trade. And that's it. I mean, navigating some pretty choppy waters, but sticking to what's been working for so long. Today, another winning session.